All right, guys, real quick, I'm gonna give a shout out to a couple of people. I'm gonna give a shout out to Joe. I'm gonna give a shout out to, well, James is not there anymore, but I'm gonna give you a shout out, James. Give a shout out to Jackie. Give a shout out to Byron. Give a shout out to, yes, okay. Give a shout out to Josh. Give a shout out to Barb. And give a shout out to Shayra. And give a shout out to Dan. Okay. Don't work too hard. I don't know. I can't say anything else. I just want to give you guys a shout out. All right. Let's get into the video. Okay, so now we're in the mid-flight snack. So they woke us up to show what we got. They had all kind of juices and coffee and everything. Cheesecake. A little small cheesecake. It's about the size of my hand. Really soft. And then I got my wife told me to get this peach juice. So I have this. I don't know if I'm recording with this or the phone. I think I've seen a message, so hopefully this is working out a little bit better using the microphone on here if it's recording, but I'll play it back here in a moment. Yeah, really, it's right here. They're all there eating there. Got their snacks over there. Alright guys, so let's dig into this cheesecake. Mine's a wrap. Very delicious. It's like a cheesecake that doesn't need toppings. Everything's good. All the food is delicious. I think they really focus on presentation. When they bring out their food, it's neat. It's organized and neat. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this and I don't know what's next. I guess we're gonna rest a little bit with this digest. Get up and walk around. A lot of people get up and walk around to stretch their legs. So on these long flights, you see people walking up and down the aisles to get exercise. I did that a little while ago because you don't want your legs to get all stiff. This is really good. It says recording audio is going through headset. Oh, okay, so that's good. I guess you guys can hear me a little bit better. So when you're done, they give you these like wet naps. I guess you can use this to either wipe your face or your hands. It's unscented. Yeah, it's cold too. watch number one and see what it's about. It looks good. Gotta give this to her. As I'm gonna tell you, the people on Japan Airline, Korean Airline, mostly from my experience, okay, this is just from my experience from every Asian type of airline. They're so focused on being neat and respectful. Okay, they always have a smile on their face. They're not angry. They don't have an attitude. I've never seen not one person with an attitude as far as a stewardess or someone that's trying to help you on the plane, right? You want to keep it? Okay. So he wants to keep this. So I'm going to put this over here. But as far as like people being respectful in like Japan or Asian countries, it's very common for that to happen. Now I know one time we took United and Delta. I think it was United one time on the way back, and the people, the stewardess had an attitude. I tell you, like my wife was. Okay, so you know how they bring your tray out and you have your food, and then when you're done eating, some people kind of stack their trash on a tray, like put all the plastic together, or try to kind of stack it together so when they come gather it, it doesn't just fly everywhere. So I think we were on United. I don't know. I can't remember United or Delta, but my wife stacked all her plastic to one side and just try to make it neat so the guy can get it. And the guy had an attitude because I guess they have a certain way of sorting their trash, and he like literally put his hand on her tray and like forcefully like, no, just don't go on that, don't do, like pretty much telling her don't do that. It doesn't, like, he had a nasty attitude. But yeah, so you get that a lot with people on certain airlines. But just from my experience, I think almost every, what I'm trying to say, every like Japanese airline, Korean airline, just another one. I think it was A&A. A&A is pretty good too. They're very respectful people, guys. I'm telling you. If you have a problem, you tell them, they're gonna try their best to fix it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink this and continue to watch Doom, I guess, and then take another nap because we're almost. Let me go back to the map. Okay, let's go over to the map real quick. See where we're at. English. Boston, and then Boston all the way over this area here. Yeah, very close to Alaska. Where we did fly over Alaska, because there it is. Right here is Alaska. Flew over Alaska. Now we're all the way down here, about the Bering Sea. And we'll go all over here to Narita, Japan. Okay? All the way over here to Japan. And we are going to take a trip to Japan, but we're going to come back. This is just the layover. And from Japan down here, I'll show you guys where the Philippines is. It's right below. Okay. Japan's here. Philippines is here. This area right here. And we're gonna fly into, come on now. We're gonna fly into this area right here. Manila. Okay. And then while we're there, we're gonna fly over here to Davao, okay? Because this is my wife's hometown. This is where she was born. So we're going to fly there, Davao City. So Manila, some of you guys that don't know, do you remember Muhammad Ali was talking about, he was talking about Thriller of Manila? Oh, you got to put your seatbelt. So they go around with a sign saying put your seatbelt. So Muhammad Ali made a statement, Thriller of Manila. This is what he was talking about right here. Okay? And for you boxing fans, this is where Pacquiao's from, okay? Pacquiao is from, or Pac-Man Pacquiao, he's from the Philippines.